Cancer-related fatigue severely impacts patients' health-related quality of life. Currently, researchers and clinicians rely on self-reported questionnaires to diagnose this debilitating symptom. Methods outlined in this work help to standardize physical fatigue measurement in an accurate and objective manner.
This technique is fairly simple and easily adaptable for clinical use. Protocols provided in the current work will decrease the need for in-person trainings for clinicians.
Demonstrating these procedures will be Jeniece Regan, Sarah Alshawi, Josephine Liwang, and Jamell Joseph, postbac fellows from our lab.
In a quiet room, set up a chair with armrests. Turn on the handheld dynamometer. When prompted, press the button to accept the calibration prompt. Ensure the device is resting on a flat surface during calibration.
The handgrip device is sensitive to mechanical force. It is important to handle the device with care.
Seat the subject in an upright position, with their feet in full contact with the floor, and hips as far back as the chair supports. Ensure the subject's hip and knee angles are close to 90 degrees, and shoulders are in neutral abduction-adduction and neutrally rotated. Ensure the subject's elbow is flexed at 90 degrees and the wrist is unsupported. Instruct the subject to grasp the dynamometer with the door.